Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. In this video, I will deal with this graph. So this graph is actually showing the relationship between the feed intake, fish growth rate and feed conversion ratio. So basically we will be dealing with the basic idea behind this. It's very important with respect to the fish nutrition and feed technology. So let's try to understand. So you can see two types of lines here. One is solid line, that is dark black line, and another one is dashed line, that is curvilinear. So and you can find certain terms written here on this graph like FCR, feed conversion ratio, maintenance feeding level, optimum feeding level, growth rate, maximum feeding level. So these are the things mentioned here. And left hand side is representing the growth rate, that is percentage body weight gain per day. Then below it is representing feeding level, percent biomass per day. And right side is representing feed conversion ratio, that is gram feed per gram weight gain. So if we look at this very carefully, what you can see is, we'll first of all focus on solid line. So you can see it is starting from 0 and is rising. Okay, but at that particular point you can also see that broken lines are representing the maintenance feeding level. So and at that moment FCR is showing high, means whatever feed we are giving at that particular moment of time, that is not utilized for the growth, that is just utilized by fish for its metabolism purpose. It has got no role in providing them the growth, or it may got minimum role in giving them growth, but scientifically we say that growth rate is 0 at that particular moment of time. And so FCR is high because whatever feed we are giving, we do not find growth, we only find that fish is utilizing that for metabolism purpose. Now moving ahead, you may see that FCR is getting low, that broken lines, you can find that dashed lines are now coming below, means FCR is getting low and growth rate is increasing, reaching to the optimum feeding level. Now from the perspective of farmers, that is the best phase where whatever feed you are giving is utilized by the fish for the metabolism as well as providing you the growth also. So optimum feeding level is the best phase according to the farmers, and at that particular moment of time FCR is low, means whatever feed you are giving, that is very efficient in providing the output, that in terms of the growth. Now later on you can find that if we'll increase feeding level, so again you can see that growth rate is increasing, but a time comes when no further growth or insignificant growth is found, or growth rate is increasing insignificantly, we can say. So at that moment of time we say that FCR is again going high because whatever feed now we are giving, now that is just getting waste, means it is utilized by the fish, but at the same time it is also unutilized, and that's creating the waste in the pond environment, so it will deteriorate the water quality. So this is the actual phenomenon or ideology behind this schematic diagram. Hope so it will be helpful for your examination purpose. Thank you for watching.